So my phone screen went completely black. I tried to actually charge the phone and do a bunch of stuff. It wouldn't work. So I did a little bit of research and I find out that you can forcibly restart the phone. I'm going to show you how to do that. This is an iPhone 14 Pro Max. And again, it's actually quite simple. So actually all you're going to do is that you're going to press the button here, the up volume and the down, and then you're going to press the one here. And very quickly, you have to do it quickly. You can't really waste any time. So again, you're going to go up, down, and then you're going to press this button right here on the side. And don't do that right there. You're not going to actually turn it like normally. You're just going to continue to hold it until you see that Apple sign. So again, as I'm holding it, I'm still holding it. My screen went kind of crazy right there because obviously the phone is up, but now the phone is coming back up, and then I'm going to let it go. And essentially, it's going to reboot. It's going to be safe. I didn't lose any information or anything like that. You're going to see this here in the video. And here it is. The phone came back up. It does take a few seconds, maybe 30 seconds, less than a minute, but then it's going to come back up. So again, if you're having any issues with the phone, you may try that out. Hopefully it works. There you have it. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.